Hi, 8th graders. Sorry this is a little bit late getting out to you. It's about 5:13 right now, so a little bit later than usual. Hopefully you won't give up on your homework. Although everything was pretty easy with this and straightforward, we're just converting temperatures between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And here's a image of the reference sheet for you. I just wanted to put this up just in case you may not have this at home. You see that Celsius equals the difference of Fahrenheit and 32 divided by 1.8, right? And Fahrenheit equals the product of the Celsius temperature and 1.8, and then we add 32 to it. So here are the conversions, so you can use that for your homework. Um, I will cut this portion off right here, and we'll carry it around to the different problems. So for your homework, it was a just pretty straightforward worksheet. Um, See here, it's 9.1b, converting temperatures, and it's just the same thing over and over. And then down here there are a couple word problems, but really when you look at them, and this is the problem, you're not reading it, you don't see how easy it is, right? When you look at it, it's just like the ones up here, it's just in words. So the maximum surface temperature ever recorded in the water of the Everglades in Miami-Dade County was 35.8 degrees Celsius. About what temperature is this in degrees Fahrenheit? Round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. Okay, so let's cut this out. Pull it to a, there we go, there it is. All right, escape that and pull here. And then I'm actually gonna go back and grab that. There we go. Alright, so what we're wanting to do is take 35.8 degrees Celsius and we're going to convert that to Fahrenheit, right? Because the question is about what temperature is this in degrees Fahrenheit? And there's the important information. We also need to remember round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. So if we're going to find Fahrenheit, we need to use the conversion that says equals Fahrenheit. So we can plug in Celsius, and then it'll give us out Fahrenheit. So we're going to plug in 35.8 in for C. So F equals 35.8 times 1.8 plus 32. Right? And just pull out our calculator. 35.8. What did I get there? 35.8 times 1.8 equals, and then we're going to add 32, right? And the maximum surface temperature ever recorded in the Everglades was 96.44, 96 and 44 hundredths. This is the hundredths place, degrees Fahrenheit. That's actually pretty warm for water, especially in a body of water. But the Everglades can be hot, right? So there is the answer for that. Like I said, it wasn't very hard. It wasn't any different than the problems up here where we're taking Celsius and converting it to Fahrenheit. We'll do another one. The average, we'll do 17 here. The average core body temperature of a dog is about 38 degrees Celsius. About what is the temperature? About what temperature is this in degrees Fahrenheit? Round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. All right. So if we're looking, and we'll use our information we got back here, 35.8 was what, like 98 degrees or something? So 38 degrees Celsius, that's probably going to be above 100. So we can use our prior knowledge of this and say when we find our answer, we can tell if we're in the ballpark there. So 38 degrees Celsius, I gotta get my tools back here. Oh, didn't work. Come on now. There we go. 38 degrees Celsius. We want to know, what is this in degrees Fahrenheit? Uh, there we go. I also want to grab my conversion here. Come on. It disappeared. There. All right, so again, we want to, well, first thing we're always going to do, what's the question? What is this in degrees Fahrenheit? Important information, it was 38 degrees Celsius, round to the nearest hundredth. All right, so we want it in Fahrenheit, so we're going to pick the one that says equals Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit equals 38 plus, or times, 1.8 plus 32. All right, just get our calculator. 38 times 1.8, then add 32. 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's do one more. Let's change. Let's change a Celsius. Sorry, let's change a Fahrenheit to Celsius just so we can show that process. Here's a 104.5 degrees, so this ought to be above 38 degrees Celsius, right? Just from the ones we've done already. So 104.5 degrees Celsius. Let's pick up our conversion and take it over there. We want degrees Fahrenheit and we want Celsius, so we pick the one that says equals Celsius. C equals Fahrenheit 104.5 minus 32, and then we're going to divide that difference by 8. Okay, so just use our calculator. 104.5 minus 32, and then divide that by 1.8. And we get 40.2777. So 40.27 repeated. And let's look, does it say anything about what it wants us to do with that? Round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. Of course, we should have looked at that first. So this is the hundredths place. After this would be another 7. So this 7 tells that 7 to go ahead and go up to an 8. So 40.28 degrees Celsius. All right. So hopefully this wasn't too boring for you, and it helped you get this done. Only 8 minutes this time. It was half as long as most of them. So good luck on your home fun, and hopefully you'll be able to come in and get a good